just play in this way too. So Monday morning, let's get at it. A lot to do still. So yeah, let's go. And now let's do a list of the things for today, and then yeah, get at it. So let's go. No time to waste. So now this sexy lady, now it's working properly. Like, yes, that's way better than what it was. So next. So let's see, yeah, as you saw yesterday, I finished this one, so nice. So yes, let's get to it. For today, I'm gonna check, let's see if I can fix the under engine and the gearbox from the Norton, the 750. I'm gonna open it and do some welding. So that's in the planning, and let's see what I can finish and what I cannot. So, okay, let's go. So, the things that want to get open, leather hammer. There we go. Voila. So there we goes. Yep, it doesn't look good. And yeah, this must be changed for sure. Because of something like this, I almost break my leg once. Kicking a Norton Commando from 1969 too. So yeah, must be changed. And let's see, this one too. Yeah, this one had better days. And then let's see, where was it? Yes, this one too. So yeah, that's it. Let's do some ordering. Yep, there we go. Okay, so that is the plug inside. Here is the one that I made last week, but it just snapped all the aluminum. It just took all the thread, took it out. So I hope this one it works really, because otherwise I really need to make something with the lathe, and it will not be easy at all. So yes, let's see, fingers crossed. So this is the one that is in right now. something like this. Okay, so let's see, put this one there. Okay, yes. So this is a 1969 gas tank from Bonneville. The owner bought it, and I told him bring it to Sunblast, and after that I can check what I can do for you. It needs some love, let's say it like that. So voila. Yeah. So voila, let's see, all those, here I need to make a plate. This one looks good, here, more, the same here, the same here, here, and I don't know if here underneath is something else, but we will see. Besides that, it looks really good. Like it's not, doesn't have like a big bend. It has a few, like at least here, you can see here, and this one, and I saw this one. Yeah, but besides that, it's a nice gas tank. Yeah, oh, a little bit here, but it's good, not bad. So yes, let's get at it. There we go. I weld all the little spots that I found and bigger ones. Still need to clean that up, but yeah, and test it. But now I was working on this one. Now I'm gonna make the plate, cut it, weld it in place, and then do some tests for see if it's leaking or not. So let's go. So the weldings are looking okay, but I have a few leakings, and not because of the welding, but the armor holes than what I expected. It's like, okay, this little thing, okay, this one, when I put it on pressure, it just pop out, puff, it just went into my face. So yeah, now I put it at 8, around 8 bar of the pressure, 8, 10, there in between. And yeah, this one just went like blowing a tire, kind of. So I had that here, I had it here too, I had it here, I had it here. So yeah, let's keep on going, and let's see if I finish it. Yeah, if I make it nice and tight, and otherwise I don't know. But let's go. So it wasn't easy, but now it's finally good to go. So yeah, let's clean it up now. I was double checking after taking some material off, not much, just a tiny little bit, so they don't need to put too much filler, because this is the new side. If I would restore this one, like for paint job, I would just leave it like it is right now, just paint it, no filler, because anyways it's the bottom of the gas tank, and it looks pretty good when you see that there has been work on it, that it has some life on it, but at least that's my meaning. Yeah, but yeah, good to go. So yeah, let's clean it up, and next, the first bolt I put, it broke off, but yeah, it's a cheap metal. But now I took one from a stainless steel, and I was checking, like, let's see, that's what I wanted, that's what I need, that it can handle the pressure. So happy, that means that I can finish the engine, or at least put it back together and try again. So let's go. So, first thing for today, the Velo. Yes, because she's not gone. She's still here. You know? As you remember, maybe you remember, I had problems with the clutch. When I put it in first gear, boom, she was jumping out every time. If I put it in fourth, third or fourth gear, the bike was running perfectly and I could use the clutch like really nice and easy. But once I put it on first gear, it just grabbing and killing the engine. I contacted Kevin and yeah, he told me like first just check the shaft of the gears, I think. Yeah, right, the shaft. Yeah, the shaft in the gearbox, because they can be bended. If they are bended, you are trying to fix something that is not possible to fix. So I'm going to open the gearbox, first drain it, then check what it's in, how it looks, the shafts, and then let's see. Yeah, and if it's not that, then I need to, I don't know, pray to the gods or something like that. So yeah, let's get to it. So right now, one thing that I saw on the gearbox, when I was putting it back together, I saw display, and this is a lot. But yeah, maybe it's normal on Velocette, I don't know. So I asked to Kevin, maybe he knows. And if you put those like this in between, the gear can flip in between them. So it has like at least, yeah, this is the space that it has. So it can go up or like this, you see? Tack, 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 tack. That's a lot. But maybe it's just like this, I don't know. I was reading in the book and I don't see any any measurements, you know. So now let's wait for the answer, and hopefully he can help me out on this one. We will see. Yeah. Yeah, baby! Okay, let's try again. Let's see if I can film it. Good start, as you saw in the video, I guess. But it was possible to see, so she runs, that's good. But yeah, now this one is empty. And I thought like, okay, let's build up the gas tank now and try again with the gas tank on, and try to play a little bit with the carburetor, see if it runs better. That's it. Saturday. Today we had a full day with this little one, so that's nice. Yeah, a new rider has born. Thank you everyone for the thumbs up. Please keep it up, okay? And yeah, with the Velo right now the gear is to Frank, so he's gonna make a new brass